I heard that you can use sunscreen or sunblock to restore your headlights, so I grabbed a couple bottles and we're gonna go try it out. One's a spray and one's a lotion. We'll see which one works better. Alright, here we go. Oh wow. Wow. That's incredible. That works amazing. Wow, look at that. Cleans it right up. Well, I'd say it works. That's pretty amazing, guys. Let's try the other side. We'll try the lotion on this side. Wow. That does a really good job. That looks awesome. There's so much oxidation on there. Look at that. Totally clear. That worked awesome. Look at that. Oxidation is gone. And I bet you that sunscreen will help protect these lights too from a little more UV damage. But man, that came out awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and liking this video, and we'll see you in the next one.